Loosen the seat tube clamp and pull out the seat post. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screw that fixes the reflector. Remove the reflector. Use a 5mm hex key to loosen the 2 screws that secure the seat post clamp. Remove the seat post. Install the seat posts with the sides marked with graduations facing forward. Put in the seat post clamp. Adjust the seat post to the appropriate position. Tighten the 2 screws alternately. Position the seat post in the appropriate place. Install the reflector at the top, facing backwards. Tighten the screws. Insert the seat post. Make sure the safety line does not protrude. Adjust to the appropriate height. Close the pipe clamp wrench.